Alright, to get into Home Access, you need to head to the Home Access Center. But first, you need to type in the bethel.k12.or.us website. Once you enter, you will be met with this home screen, I guess. And you need to click on the Parents tab. Afterwards, you just need to scroll down a tiny bit and click on the Home Access tab. Continue to Home Access. You brought here. To log in, you need a username and passcode, which is already set by the school. For the username, you need to type in your student ID, and the student's first initial and last name. For this tutorial, we'll be using Abe Washington as an example. So the first initial would be A, and then Washington. For the passcode, you will need the student ID once again, and then their birthday in 8 digits. So, for example, if the birthday was on July 4th, 2001, it would be 07, 04, and 2001.
Here we are on the Home tab of Home Access Center, and you can scroll down and see the different classes and their current grades, and click in on them and see what assignments are currently on Home Access Center. You can check for missing assignments and graded assignments and all that is in each separate class on that tab. You can go to the Attendance tab here. And if you see any red or orange, those indicate unexcused absences or tardies. And the way that you would figure out the details for each one of those is to hover over it. And if you hover over it for a sec, a little drop down will come down and show what period the unexcused absences were for, or unexcused tardies. So red is for unexcused absences, orange for unexcused tardies. The other colors are like excused absences, and we don't need to worry about those. The ones to worry about are the red and the orange. Here is the Classes tab, and you can scroll down through all of the classes that your student has on one page. And then we have the Grades tab, and you can get the current grades in all different classes on one page. There are some more tabs available for you to use, and we encourage you to cruise around this site and see everything that's available. Thanks.